Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Alan Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 116 in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Final exam. The final exam is available under quizzes and exams. And there was a bit of a glitch. If you did try to access this before and couldn't find it, that glitch has been fixed. It's available under quizzes and exams. And it's here CAD 116-0C1 final exam. And I'm viewing it as a student, so I can't access it, but it is available. If it's not available, just make sure you tell us and email us because that should be working. You do need to use Chrome as your web browser, and you'll need a credit card and a photo ID. The credit card to pay the proctoring fee, $6.99 or $11 for if you have more than one to take, maybe for another course. There's a hands-on drawing component that you do not need to use Proctor exam for. You can choose either the mechanical drawing or the architectural drawing. If we click on the mechanical, it's a pretty straightforward mechanical drawing. And then if we click on the architectural, it's a foundation plan. The B-size title blocks and all the information for those is located under Content. Final exam, hands-on drawing. It's the same instructions. Choose either the mechanical or the architectural drawing. Make sure that you take the multiple choice in quizzes and exams using Honor Lock. And here's the PDF and the PDF. And then here's the drawing template. And so if you're using a mechanical drawing, use the B-size mechanical template. If you're working on the architectural drawing, use the B-size architectural drawing because it's set up with the correct units and layers and things like that. And that's basically it. If we come back to the main splash page, make sure that you take all the quizzes under quizzes and exams. And so there are these AutoCAD quizzes that you're going to want to make sure that you take to get credit for those points. And make sure that you turn in all drawings to the assignment folder. Everything is due December 14th. And with that, I'm going to see if there's anything else we need to add, Al.
No, that's about it. It was a joy having you guys in the class. Hopefully you take one of our other classes coming up in the next future.
That's right. We did enjoy the course. We thought it went really well. And look forward to hopefully seeing you in classes in the future. With that, I'm going to stop this recording and we'll open things up for questions.